I decided to make a video just to show my finished product of my doll. This is the one that I stuffed with the plastic shopping honky bags that way too many people use because they're too lazy to bring their own bags, and now that people have to pack it themselves, it's like, really? You cannot pack your own groceries. You know, they won't. I guess at the store they won't. If you bring your own bags, you have to pack them yourself. Are you really that lazy that you can't pack your own bags? You know, you unpack the food, you put them in the shopping cart before you bought them, but now you, oh, whatever. Anyways, don't get me started. Here's my doll. See this right here? It's, that is a piece of foam, packing foam. I just put a piece of foam in there so you can stick the pins in there if you want. Everything on here is hand stitched. Look at that. And that is them mesh bags that you get like oranges in. I think there's other for you. Maybe they put potatoes in there, but that's that mesh stuff. Some people make like Brillo pads, scrubby pads out of them. That's a good reuse for these instead of just throwing them away. But you could probably use it for stuffing too. I mean, it's washable as plastic. But there we go. There's the front. See, everything's hand stitched. See, hand stitched. Even the sides. Look at that, hand stitched. Did a whip stitch. And here's the back. Ta-da! Bunch of hearts. All hand stitched. See that and that? I don't know what this is. Maybe it was a skirt or something. I don't remember what that is. But this is one of my partner's old shirts. It had the company name on it, so we didn't know what we were going to do with it. You know, you can't really donate it to charity because who would want it? You know, just end up going to some third world country that would further impoverish the country. So that's that. Of course, I told you about the mesh bags that the fruit comes in. These are some old buttons. I don't know if I like that one too much. I don't know. But anyways, this was an old dress of mine. It's a linen, 100% linen dress. It got some holes in it from just wash and wear. So what was I going to do with it? That's another outfit. This was a handkerchief that I dyed with Lorraine's oils. It's organic, gluten-free oil. And of course, there's the linen dress again. All this is reused material. All my yarn I got off auction or estate garage sales. Thread, the same thing. All the thread was from, most of it was from auction. Got it in box lots. I also bought some stuff at garage sales. And there's my peanut butter feeder for my for the woodpeckers. If you want me to make you one, just let me know. So I will talk to you later. This is number 36 on Living Frugally. Use what you got to make what you want.